Welcome to Bike Shift, where we explore the latest and most talked about vehicles shaping the future of mobility. Today, we take a closer look at the 2026 Mahindra Bolero Neo N10, an SUV that blends rugged DNA with modern upgrades, designed for drivers who want strength, reliability, and everyday comfort in one solid package. The 2026 Mahindra Bolero Neo N10 continues its tough and boxy SUV character while adding refreshed styling elements. The upright stance, muscular body lines, and bold front grille give it a commanding road presence. Updated LED daytime running lights, redesigned alloy wheels, and subtle exterior refinements make the Bolero Neo N10 look more modern without losing its iconic rugged appeal. Under the hood, the Bolero Neo N10 is expected to feature a refined diesel engine that delivers strong torque and dependable performance. Tuned for both city driving and rough terrains, this SUV offers confident acceleration and excellent low-end power. The rear-wheel drive setup ensures better load-carrying ability and stability, especially on uneven roads and rural routes. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Bolero Neo N10 focuses on comfort and practicality. The interior layout is spacious, with improved seat cushioning and better quality materials. A touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone connectivity, a multifunction steering wheel, and enhanced air conditioning controls add a modern touch. The SUV is designed to comfortably accommodate families while offering ample boot space for luggage. Mahindra has strengthened safety in the 2026 Bolero Neo N10 with essential features like dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a reinforced body structure. Additional driver assist features and stability enhancements make it safer for long journeys in challenging road conditions, ensuring peace of mind for both drivers and passengers. Fuel efficiency remains one of the Bolero Neo N10's strong points. The diesel engine is optimized to deliver impressive mileage, making it a cost-effective choice for daily commuting as well as long-distance travel. Its tough suspension setup and high ground clearance allow it to handle bad roads effortlessly, making it ideal for urban, semi-urban, and rural use. The 2026 Mahindra Bolero Neo N10 stands out as a reliable, no-nonsense SUV with modern features and classic toughness. It is built for those who value durability, comfort, and performance in real-world driving conditions. With its updated design and practical upgrades, the Bolero Neo N10 continues to be a strong contender in the rugged SUV segment. Stay tuned to Bike Shift for more latest automotive updates and in-depth vehicle insights.